Hello, welcome to Fitou Thai Kitchen. Today we going to make another dip sauce we call Nam Prik Noom. Right? This one from North of Thailand. And the ingredient very simple. That's it. Only a few. We use the young green chili. We roast it or we grilled it. You can do grill in the pan or you can grill with the rack. And then red onion. We use the banana carrot and garlic. Fish sauce. If you like the taste a little bit sour, you can use the lime juice. Yeah, that's it. All the ingredient. Now we start to grill. Or this one. The chili first. But you need to turn this one all the time. If not, you can burn easily. I think the wood, the skew start to burn. It's okay. This one come out. It's okay.
Like cooking sausages.
Yeah. But the chili have to be cooked. If you use red chili, you call Nam Prik.
Prig That one your speciality,
Yeah, Nam Prik.
Or you just put this on the side of your plate with the rice?
This one, yeah.
Yeah.
And it's with the vegetable, any vegetable you like.
It's not really a dip sauce, no? Is it a dip sauce or a sauce that you put on the side of your plate?
I do have both. Because you dip with the boiled egg, you dip with the cap moo, you dip with the vegetable. You know, some food, some Thai food quite similar with the South America. And now you also grill red onion, put at the side. You can grill with the skin. This one. Okay, we're nearly there. Okay. This one have cooked. And this one, you know, after cook become very soft. We're going to take the burn out. You can see the burn. Smell
I love
nice.
grilled onions.
Or if you grill with the charcoal, yeah.
I
This
chop
one. Okay, I need to cut this one into small pieces. Because I cannot put like this in the mortar stone, too big. Make it chunky. And onion in the small one. You know, most of the people when they go to North, they always buy this one.
Nam Prik Noom. Like how far north we're talking about? Like Chiang Mai?
Chiang Mai, Lamphun, Lampang. And now everywhere they sell, everywhere. Okay, now we start to put in the mortar stone, put onion and garlic first. I put chili. Don't forget these, the Nam Prik have to be a little bit chunky.
And how spicy are these chilies? Not very spicy.
No, not really spicy. North people, they don't eat spicy food. Just a little bit more. Okay, enough now.
Yeah, for this one, it stays chunky a bit, doesn't it?
Yes, they're chunky.
Okay.
Right, we put the fish sauce. You can use salt. This was your choice. Here, I try to put 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. And you try first. A little, one more. Yeah, actually the original one, that's it. They put, but I like a little bit sour. I put a piece of lamb.
This one.
อร่อย
Hi guys, so we're going to try Nam Prik Noom, and yeah, I mean Chef 2 pretty much told you everything about this. I mean, it looks really good too. Again, it looks a little bit, you know, like last week's video. Was it last week's video? A week before, Nam Prik on. It's like a salsa kind of chutney kind of look. They're almost like South American. Oh, that's good. I'm in trouble getting. Wow, that's really good. So there's a touch of spice, a little bit of sour from the lemon, some umami flavor coming through. It's incredibly moreish. I mean, you could have this with, you know, your kind of chopped carrots, or, you know, long carrot pieces, just using it as a dip. It's really good. So give that a go. It's, as you saw in the video, it's super easy. Just grill the chilies, shallots and the garlic, remove the burnt bits, put some water, add some lemon to taste, and you're pretty much there. So it's super easy and it's amazingly delicious. So give that a go and we'll see you next week. Take care. Bye.